Hey guys, I'm CoBuystedt at BISH'S RV in Junction City. I'm here to show you the Chaparral 334 FL. This one's actually one of my favorite rigs. I said that on the last video, so I'm a broken record now, but actually this one's the perfect rig for like 2 people and then who has a lot of friends and wants to bring out guests to hang out or something. So it's about, well, let's see exactly. I forgot this brand lets me know. 42 feet and 6 inches. That's what the manufacturer says. And while I'm here, the dry weight is 12,448 pounds. So anyways, if we walk over here, we got the solid steps. This rig has got the weather package on it. So it's gonna perform really, really well against the elements. And then it also has the Azdale. Azdale is a composite panel behind the fiberglass of the walls that makes it impervious to water. So, well, damages water can do. So it's impervious to rot, decay, mold, mildew, and delamination. A lot of rigs do fiberglass and then wood behind this. And that stuff rots and gives you a bubble, and it's a big nightmare. So that cannot happen to this one. So that's also metal cage construction. Is going to help it be really quality built under the hood. So when you come into the kitchen, we have this right here, our island. Get your one big sink. I'll just show it to you. There you go. Of course, this does this. Most rigs do that, but might as well show it since I'm standing right here. There you go. This is awesome. So first of all, we have these solid surface countertops. They're like a Corian. And you can put all, like you can picture if you're cooking and stuff, doing all of your like veggies right here, all that. You have like coffee station right here. Or right there would even be better, coffee station. But you get your cooktop right here. Bigger microwave than the last rig I demoed. Open the pantry. That is nice to have. A lot of rigs don't even give you a pantry straight up at all, which is weird. Why do they do that? Of course, we have cabinets everywhere. I mean, if you keep looking, you keep seeing them. Got even the corner ones. So they really try to kind of utilize all the space. But since we're in here, I'll talk about this. This is your one-touch control system. It's going to allow you to operate slide-outs, auto-leveling, stuff like that from the interior. You can also do them right here too. Not auto leveling though. Auto leveling has to be off of that. Now let's come upstairs. Here's your front living room. Great for guests if you got a bunch of friends coming in or whatever. These couches on the sides where the slide outs are, this one and that one are beds. And when you unfold them out, they just about connect to being one big bed. Now, right here, these two are recliners. Love seats. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cup holders. You have a lot of cups when you're watching TV. They heat up, they light up, and they massage. The heat, that's amazing. The heated seats feature is amazing. So, very awesome. You got USB chargers right on the seats too, as well as a wall plug down below. So that's awesome. Huge fan. So this is all great. I mean, people have done this. Not many, but this has been done before. This is why the rig is so amazing. This is the special part. So your bedroom, you get a king bed. You get a slide out here. This is so cool. You get all these cabinets up here. And then if you come in here, you can see the entire dresser and all the cabinets over there. Super cool. So much room. Fully walk around bed. You can make, I'm walking straight. You can make your bed and stuff. Here's where your TV would live. You get a window right there with a shade under your TV. Your TV doesn't cover your window. You get your whole dresser set up right here. If you come in here, you've got this entire closet, shirt closet, whatever you're going to hang. It's so cool. The ceiling height is extremely noticed in here. I have a upgraded fifth wheel that is made by the same guys. It's the Brookstone. It's a very similar floor plan, and you used to not be able to get this floor plan unless you bought that one. Well, this is nice because this is almost the exact same rig in every way. It's just the ceiling height is a little bit cut to the mid-profile size instead of the full front cap size. So it's a nice thing to be able to get this at the price point it's at if you want this layout. You used to have to only go buy the bigger, more expensive one. This is your bathroom. And so, in here you get 2 sinks. They are porcelain. Hit my ring on it. You look, the bathroom, the shower is awesome. I'm an average height guy. How tall am I? I don't know. But yeah, I feel completely at home right here. Sliding glass doors. So nice. All of these right here. You don't even need all this. You open this, we got the washer and dryer area. Right now it's set up, displayed as just shelves mode. We would take a shelf out and install that. Right here, your toilet is in the corner with all the space in the world. And to top it off, it's even angled to give you a sense of more space. You can actually sit down on it. And it's like, I've seen a lot of these where you can't. You just can't even. Of course, we have these cabinets right here too. So this is honestly what makes the rig so special. You get a real bathroom, probably bigger than, my apartment does not have a bathroom this nice. This bedroom is the coolest bedroom I've seen in a fifth wheel. You make it into the kitchen. Like I said, yeah, people have done this kitchen and that living room, but it's an awesome kitchen and living room. And when you put those together, it makes this a very special rig. So my name is CoBuystedt. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any more questions about this rig, how it's built, its weights, all that, whatever, if I missed anything, just go ahead and give me a call, 541-735-1535, and I'll be sure to help you out. Thank you.